Hi, this is Jordan with Good Sports Outdoor Outfitters, and today we'll be talking about the Oakley Holbrook family of glasses. The Holbrook comes in two different sizes, a standard size and an XL size for a little bit more coverage. Oakley is using their classic Plutonite lens, which is shatterproof and IR UV protectant. They offer some standard iridium models and some Prism Technology models. The Prism Technology is where they can take levels of light and different wavelengths of light and adjust for allowing more of one wavelength in and less of one wavelength. So it gives you the ability to really clarify certain activity type things like golf for greens and road for travel and on the asphalt, and it offers better optical clarity and better definition. They offer a classic all plastic frame. They offer a hybrid frame which offers the plastic in the front with the metal temples in the back, and they offer an all metal, which is my personal favorite, an all metal frame. Thanks for watching.